Welcome, everybody. It is Crypto Moose, and we're going to get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. So the file nodes have arrived for those of you that picked one up using Cardano. So I want to dive into that in this episode. And if you guys get something out of this, smash a like button, subscribe, comment, whatever questions you have regarding cryptocurrencies, NFTs, and specifically Cornucopias. So Cornucopias has had a few file node sales. So that's what I want to get into in this particular video. So I'm just going to get things perfectly arranged so that we can go through this together. Okay, so the copi file nodes. If you guys check out your wallet, make sure it's the same wallet that you used to purchase your file node NFT. So this is one of my wallets. This is where I picked up 7 file nodes. So the reason I did that is because I had the Loose Moose NFT sale and I took some profits from that, picked up some file nodes. So we're going to be doing some stuff with the Loose Moose holders. So if you do own some Loose Moose, the official channel NFTs, this one, then you have the potential to earn some extra airdrops and a bunch of stuff that I want to talk about more at the end of the year. So in this wallet, here you can see 7 file nodes. So cheers to those of you that have been waiting and have been following along with the channel. What you're going to be able to do is register and stake your node. I will be doing a step-by-step tutorial once I begin the process myself and once it becomes available. Currently, you are just going to be airdropped your NFTs. So this is exactly what we've been talking about. So they look pretty sweet. I mean, they look identical to what the image is when you pick one up. So if you guys go to the link tree, go under NFTs. This is where you can mint your file node when they're open. I think 6 tiers have closed now for Cardano. But if we go to orders, these are the ones that the Moose has ordered. So I paid on average around 472 ADA. Let's call it 470. Here's some of the details. So these are the exact same thing. So the file node, they represent a specific asset ID number. So if we take a look here, this is number 793. But it is asset 1 RCY. And then if you guys want to make sure that this is legit and you're not getting scammed, go to the, the Discord. So go to the Discord, make sure that you have the right contract policy ID. So this is 4AA221. So 4AAA221, that's for Cardano. There's also the base ones that will come out soon. So 4AAA21 or whatever it was. So let's see, policy 933. So that one's showing 933. So let's see, we have that's showing 933. Cardano policy, so C170. So C170. I'm like, geez, I hope I don't have to redo this video. So right here, it's showing the beginning of the policy. So there you go. A221. So these are all the nodes. There you go. So the idea of non-fungible assets is that you can own and make sure that, you know, the one that you're picking up comes from the source. So in this case, Cornucopias, they even have in here, if you purchased a file node NFT on Cardano, your NFTs are being delivered to you now. Base NFTs are now unlocked. Within the coming days, we'll have directions on staking. So it's not coming yet. Beware of scam. So again, make sure that your policy ID is there. So that's basically it. I mean, make sure that you have the right one. So you will have a specific asset ID number. For example, this one is, let's see if we have like a number here for these. 893. So that's the actual policy, but you have a specific asset ID. So this would be asset 1 RRCY, and that's how you would distinguish one from another. So very unique, very cool, right? So fungible tokens are going to be something that's interoperable. So basically it would kind of have like the same asset ID number. These do for the collection who's minting it, so you can track that. We know because of the policy ID, it comes from Copi, and then you will have your own asset ID. Okay, so I hope that makes sense. Policy is kind of to check the balances of, did it come from the team? This is what they're saying where it comes from. And then this is going to be the asset ID, which is what you need on your end to distinguish them from the others. So yeah, really cool. I think they look great. Not much you can do with it yet. But that is the post. So a lot of people are looking at the floor. Perhaps we can take a look at JPEG store right now. If we go, here we go. Cornucopias file node. So I was looking at this. The floor is going down, and I assume it will continue to go down a little bit. Some people tend to mint, and then they buy things out of FOMO. And then, typically they just want to get some money back. So maybe somebody mints 10 and they're like, I'll keep 5. Just want to get some ADA back, do something else with it. It's just the way it goes. So I assume, not speculating too much, but I assume these will go probably to 500 ADA. Probably not much lower, but they will probably hit 500 ADA. That's my guess. 500-600 ADA by the end of the day. Because some people just want to get their money, right? But they will regret it. So nothing in this video should be taken as financial advice. If you guys want to pick one up, go ahead. They're available now because people are listing them. You can pick one up for 1,000. That's a floor. Connect your wallet on JPEG. And yeah, I'm very excited. The team's done a great job. And guys, this has been a crazy week with videos already. So I put out two videos today. One is the best Cardano altcoins. Of course, Copi is number 1 on the list. Then I got Tokyo, which is a new cross-chain Cardano wallet. So it's a hot wallet. They're doing quite a bit. Check out the video. Just get my first impressions. So with that being said, the moose is loose. Comment down below. Did you receive your file node NFTs? We've got a tutorial coming when it becomes available for the moose to get loose and do some staking / registering with them. So with that being said, moose is loose. We'll see you in the next one.